All right, so we're ready to get rolling, and step 200 of our Inside Out project, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we're good and in a good place to get started. So we want to make sure our local host is running. That's what we currently have in our 2XX. And our web server is currently just has the default page because we've created the domain. We've done nothing with it yet at this point. Our GitHub has that index page that we're looking at there, a README file with a link in it to our project, and then a git ignore, which we'll cover later. Basically, that is there to keep away Dreamweaver nodes because we're still using Dreamweaver. We will be making this in Atom. Eventually, there will be accompanied videos that all these steps will be in Atom as well. We're going to make sure that our our web host is open and we're there, and just in case we need it so we can get to it. And then, of course, our lesson. We'll make sure that our lesson is open and we're able to get things going and moving on. Additionally, we'll go ahead and make sure that our IDE, I'll be using Dreamweaver, is open, ready to go, and let's make sure that we can connect to our remote server, and our connection to our remote server is good. So we're actually ready to get rolling at this point, and what we want to do now is go ahead and check our Git, make sure that our repo is good. So let's go ahead and just, you can see I'm inside my 2XX project, so I'm going to go ahead and run a git status, and everything looks good. We'll go ahead and check our branches, so we do git branch -a for all branches, and we see that we're at the head, and all we have is the master, so we'll clear that up. And at this point, now that we got to check everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and we're going to say git checkout -b for a branch, and the branch that we're going to create is 200-0. And let's go ahead and let's create that, and we can see that we are now in our 200-0 branch, and we can run a git status on it. We can see that we're clean. If we wanted to, we could run our branches again, and we can see that we have our branch here, right? We have master, and we can see because of the star that we're checked out there. So at this point, we are good to go, and we're ready to start working, and we'll move on to the next step. We'll see you in the next step.